Welcome back to Warwick. It's currently blizzarding outside, if you can tell. I'm running back to the Durand. Headed home. Nobody's out here. It's really windy. Normally, you can see through those.
If you're walking, if you're walking, if you're walking into my life, if you're walking.
This is a throwback vlog.
Pallets and jacks, plumbers and cracks. These are the things we're living for. We are rest support, the best, that's for sure. We are rest support. JW Entertainment.
So, I've had a number of old shots that I took during the WRK Project. This is right when I was getting into videography, so the quality is not 100%, but I really like the shots, and I was really trying to make a video, but I never actually completed it. This is started back in 2015. So the following is going to be a couple of those shots kind of pieced together. Here's a quick intro back in 2015 that I made that really gets into the video. Hello everybody, and welcome to Warwick, New York, 2015. I often get asked the question, what do I do here? Well, I hope by this real brief video, I give you an understanding of what I do here in materials handling at Warwick, New York. Step 1. Receive materials into the building. This requires a lull and a signaler to receive the load. In this depiction here, you'll notice our signaler there on the left. He actually signals in by means of sign language type communication. Once the load is in and secure, the lull will go get another load. In this instance, we're fitting 12-foot sheetrock through 11-foot doors. You'll notice when I tilt to the side, I'm actually leaning and tilting the machine so we can actually slide it in this opening. Dunnage is placed on the ground, or basically something that we can set it on, and the lull can slide its forks out. Step 2. Coordinate movement of materials in the building. Answer the following questions. Why is the material here? Where does the material need to go? And how long will the material be here? Due to the massive amounts of material that were constantly coming and going during the WRK Project, it was imperative that we kept things organized and in their proper place. Let's speed that up a little bit. Once things were securely packaged, we could move them. We'd have to move them around the building, multiple different buildings, or on various floors, depending on which stage of the building process each floor was in. In this instance, we would move the materials inside of our hoist machine. Step 3. Excess material removal. Any extra material goes back to the main warehouse in Montgomery, New York. Here it is either re-kitted for another task or demobilized. For instance, in one day we removed $60,000 worth of copper off of just one floor after the plumbing department had moved through that stage of the building. In this instance, we'd use an open balcony to get it out, then again use a lull to move it around, get it on the truck, and have it shipped back to the warehouse. One of my tasks was to assist the contractors with the movement of sheetrock into the buildings. The sheetrocking phase was one of the most difficult and time-consuming phases, and so we had to have huge amounts come into the building. In order to make this actually happen, we had to do it at a very early time in the morning. So the next video kind of depicts what that was like. It's kind of rough, but hopefully it kind of gives you an idea of what took place so we can get all the sheetrock up that's even here now in this room. So check it out.
My name is Devin Carter from Minnesota. I work with the drywall hanging crew. I also deal with the offsite contractors that ships all of this wonderful, glorious, God-given rock to this beautiful site of Warwick. We started around 4:30 in the morning. Before I moved to the site of Warwick, I woke up at 3:15 to get here by 4:30. Very tired, but very beneficial. The maximum we had was around 2,300 sheets of drywall. And to think one sheet of drywall is about 150 pounds, you do the math. All for God, none for the devil, everybody. Remember that. Project to me means family. So many brothers and sisters around the site that I've made friends with, including you and my brother. That means you, the audience. Learn from this video. So many brothers and sisters have made so many sacrifices to be here. I'm totally breaking the fourth wall right now. This is fantastic. Best moment of my life right now. If anybody has a chance to come out to one of these projects, do it. The sacrifices are so worth it. It doesn't matter. Have little money, so much money, just make the sacrifice to be out here. It's worth every dime.
And that concludes the throwback portion of this vlog. Hopefully I gave you a little insight into what the construction project was like. The rest of this vlog here is kind of just some random clips from another little adventure that I had kind of in conjunction with this. So, hope you like the rest. Look at all this snow out here. This is awesome. That was the rest of the video on the throwback from Warwick. And actually, I'm here today with a couple of the friends that we worked together at Warwick. These are all my lovely friends right here. We just got done hiking. Let me show you some B-roll of what we've seen up here so far. It's pretty amazing. Take a look. That concludes the throwback vlog today. It's kind of a mix of a bit of a hiking and other things with friends. It was another great adventure. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and surely you know another one is soon to come.